Welcome to your class. I hope you had a wonderful weekend with your family. Welcome to our language class. You must be wondering why Miss Angelita is wearing a raincoat and a hoodie. Well, it's just because today we're going to be talking about ta-da, weather. Very good, guys. Before we start looking at what we're going to do in our class today, let's think about the days of the week. If yesterday was Monday, today what day is it? Let's remember the song. Monday, Tuesday. So what is it today? Tuesday. Very good. Tuesday comes after Monday. So today is Tuesday, March 24th, 2020. Okay, and if today is Tuesday, tomorrow will be, let's think about it. Okay, we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So what is it today? Tuesday. Tomorrow is going to be Wednesday. Good job, everybody. Okay, for our class today, we have 4 steps. Very, very fun. You will enjoy. The first one is going to be, you're going to be listening to a really nice song and you're going to be dancing and trying to sing along. Okay, don't forget to dance. We need to move our bodies. Okay, and after that, you're going to do something that I really love. Let me ask you this. Who likes stories? Me. I love stories. So you're going to watch a story with 2 characters called Steve and Maggie. I know you will love it. And after that, we put some pictures where you're going to pay very close attention and tell your parents or your grandma or your aunt, whoever is with you, what is the weather like in that picture? So maybe you will say, it is sunny. Or no, it is rainy. Or maybe it's snowy. Or maybe it is windy. Okay, guys, so I hope you do it really good. And after all that, you're going to really have fun because you're going to be playing a game where you're going to be dressing up a beautiful doggy according to the weather. Okay, guys, that's all for today. I really hope that you enjoyed this activities plan and that you are behaving really good and be good with parents. Okay, I miss you. See you next time. Bye bye.